Lovers of work easy fashion. So guys, in today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to do heatless curls. No heat, no damage. So what you're going to use is your conditioner. This is actually optional. Lotta baby is a must. Then your hair oil, and this is also optional. So next we're going to use our rollers and our hairpins to hold our rollers in place. So let's get started. So first you're going to section your hair. You're going to comb it out, and you're going to spray in your coil activator, which in this case is my Lotta baby. I'm going to comb it out, and then I'm going to roll. So it depends the type of coils you want, that is going to determine how you roll up your rollers. So I wanted something loose at the back but a little bit tight at the front, so I use this jumbo size rollers for the back, and for the front I use Velcro grip smaller size rollers for the front. The smaller the coils, the tighter it's going to be. So we are done with this one. I'm just going to use my pin to hold it in place, and then we're going to move to the next side and repeat the process. So let's work our way up. So you're going to partition your hair again. Apply your coil setting spray, whatever you want to call it, and then you're going to comb it out, and then repeat the process. After combing it out, you're going to take your rollers and you're going to roll up your hair. Easy peasy. Then you're going to pin in order to hold it in place. Moving on, you're going to repeat the same process. And then hold it in place by pinning it down. hold in place. And here's what our hair is looking like so far. Very easy to do, guys. And in my opinion, I really think heatless curls are literally the best. So I'm going to work my way to the front. Like I said, I wanted loose coils in the back of my hair, then a little bit tighter in the front, and you're going to get it. You're going to get why when you see the finished product. So here are the rollers I used for the front part where I wanted the coils to be tighter. I used a smaller size of Velcro grip rollers. And then for the back I use jumbo size, so you can use any size of your choice. And I actually let this sit for 3 to 4 days so that the products can set in. And when loosening, you're going to kind of rotate the hair. Don't just yank it out. So you take out your pins, you take out your rollers, and you rotate the hair while taking out your rollers. So look at that, guys. So I'm going to speed this up. I've wasted a lot of your time already. So we're taking out the front part of the hair. No one told me these Velcro grip rollers were this complicated to take out. It keeps gripping the hair. But I really love the outcome. So after that, I'm going to use my hairspray and my holding spray. I'm going to apply my holding spray first before I comb it out. And now for the most satisfying part of the video, suck that in. Pure perfection. Look at that coils, guys. No heat whatsoever. You literally saw the process from start to finish. This is so perfect. It really turned out great, guys. So I reckon you try this out. And let me know in the comment section how it goes. If you have any questions, I'm always happy to help or assist in whatever way I can. So yeah. So guys, look at that. So perfect. And I'm going to go in with my hairspray to give it that extra shine. I was really generous with this. I needed this hair to pop. So I was generous with my hairspray. Just going to comb it out one last time. And you can instantly see the shine. Look at that, guys. So guys, here's what our hair is looking like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And please check out my page. I post amazing tutorials from start to finish, easy to do steps. So yeah, and here is our finished product. Here's what our hair is looking like. So as you can see, the front is tighter, and that's what I wanted. I wanted something step, that's why I needed to use a different size for the rollers. And look at that perfection. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and please subscribe and share the video to others. It will really mean a lot to me. Bye.